If you've been debating between the Stanley and a Walla, here's your brutally honest review. First, let's start with the Stanley. We know she's iconic, we know she's aesthetic. It's really easy to carry around with this handle. It holds ice for days. I mean, we saw it. She survived the fire, okay? It fits in a cup holder, and a plus point is that you can actually use the inside and put like ice cream inside, so your ice cream doesn't melt while you're watching Netflix. The downside of this though is that it leaks because it leaks. So every time you carry it, you have to hold the handle and you can't tip it over. You can't put it in a backpack. You can't put it in your purse. You just have to hold it like this. And it looks like you hold a trash can sometimes just because it's so big. Now let's talk about the Owala. It's very similar to a Stanley, that even though it's a bottle, but it does have a straw inside. So you can easily just drink it like this and don't have to tip it over. The next point is that this is a lock, so it doesn't leak. But in a way, you can tip it over and it acts as a handle, so you can easily carry it anywhere. And it's also leak proof, so you can easily put it in your bag, put it in your purse, put it in your backpack, put it in your car, hold it in your jacket. I don't care, whichever way you want to carry it. The downside of this is that it doesn't fit in a car cup holder, so you have to tip it over in order for it to fit. And if you're wondering how I got both of them in Canada without going through the hassle of spending $100, I use Chipsy and they just bring back my package. So simple, so easy, and I only pay $7. And if you actually have the option to choose between both, which one would you choose?